Hello and welcome. In this course, we're diving into the world of Retool, an incredible app builder that has evolved significantly since its beginnings. Retool started its journey as an internal developer tool, primarily used within organization to streamline processes and workflows. However, as its capabilities grew, it transitioned to a powerful app builder accessible to all. Now you might be wondering, who am I to guide you through this journey? Well, I'm Pierre, and I have a background as a product manager at Amazon. And after spending several years there, I stumbled upon Retool and immediately saw its potential. I started using it to build app prototypes without having to rely on developers, allowing me to test ideas and deliver value faster. Well, let's be honest, starting out wasn't smooth at all. While there was a lot of documentation available online, it wasn't tailored for beginners or non-technical people like us. And I found myself spending a significant amount of time reaching out to Retool or on forums. So if you're like me, eager to leverage Retool's power, but feeling a bit lost in the technical aspect of things, you're in the right place. Throughout this course, we'll bridge that gap and provide you with a solid foundation in Retool in less than 3 hours without the need for any coding knowledge. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey in the world of Retool, and let's get started.